How to turn off autofill with Google on Android. This tutorial shows you how to disable the autofill feature through your keyboard settings. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down until you find General Management and tap on it. After that, tap on Keyboard List and Default to open your keyboard and input settings. At this point, you'll see a few options listed. Look for Autofill with Google towards the bottom of the list. This feature is what allows Google to automatically fill in passwords, addresses, and other information across apps on your device. Following this, tap the toggle next to Autofill with Google to turn it off. Once the toggle goes gray, the feature is disabled, and Google will no longer autofill information on your device. Finally, you can head back to any app and confirm that autofill suggestions are no longer appearing. If you ever want to turn it back on, just follow the same steps and toggle it back on from the same menu. That's how you disable autofill with Google on Android. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.